Hello students, in this video, in this lecture, we are going to start the anatomy part of frog. In previous video, we have discussed already the morphological part of frog. Now, we are going to start the internal structure or internal systems which are given in NCERT biology class 11. Okay, the frog internal system, or first of all, what is anatomy? If we study the internal system, internal organs or organ systems, this type of study is called anatomy. So in anatomy, we study all the type of system which is present inside the body cavity of a given organism. Okay. So if we see the body cavity of frog, that is Rana tigrina, it has various types of systems which is given in NCERT. For example, first of all, there is given digestive system, there is given circulatory system, respiratory system, excretory system, neural system. This neural system is also known as nervous system, and the last one is reproductive system. So, in the body cavity of frogs, there are various types of organ systems are present, and we are starting the first one, that is the digestive system of frog. Okay, let's see the digestive system of frog, or if we say the digestive system of all chordates, they are actually complete type of digestive system. There are two types of digestive systems. In chordates there is complete digestive system. What is complete digestive system? A digestive system containing two openings, one from where food is given or food enters, and the another opening from where the undigested food released out. So, if we see animals or human digestive system, it starts from mouth, buccal cavity, then esophagus or stomach, small intestine, duodenum, large intestine, and finally anus. A such type of digestive system which has two openings. This is the mouth part and this is the anus part. Such type of system is called complete digestive system. In lower organisms or invertebrates, lower invertebrates, there is present incomplete type of digestive system, like in poriferas, coelenterata. They have only one opening in their digestive system. So this is the complete type of digestive system which is present in almost all chordates. Okay. Now the digestive system of frog, it consists of two parts. Digestive system of frog completes in two parts, or it contains two units, or it composed of two parts. First one is called the alimentary canal. And the second one is associated glands, or it is also called digestive glands. So, almost all chordates, their digestive system consists of these two basic parts: alimentary canal and associated glands. The alimentary canal is the pipe which starts from mouth and runs up to the anus. Has two openings, so it is a complete digestive system. Okay. Alimentary canal from mouth to anus. Digestive glands or associated glands, these are those type of glands which release some secretions which helps in the digestion of food. Okay. We'll talk later about associated glands. First of all, let's start alimentary canal. Okay, alimentary canal. So, the alimentary canal of frog, alimentary canal. Of frog, that is Rana tigrina. Let's see a simple basic diagram given in the NCERT. Alimentary canal of frog. It starts from a open mouth. It is a open mouth of a frog. The whole area inside this mouth, this is called buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. Inside the buccal cavity, there is two opening at the anterior side. These are the holes of nostril which opens inside the buccal cavity, from where it takes oxygen from the atmosphere. Okay, this is the buccal cavity. Inside, around the center, there is a hole, a structure, which is called the gullet. Gullet. Just below the gullet, there is a vertical opening like this. This is the glottis part. Glottis of the frog. So, alimentary canal of frog starting from mouth. Inside the mouth there is a cavity which is called buccal cavity. Its buccal cavity. At the center of buccal cavity there is an opening that is called gullet, from where it engulfs the food. Okay, it's food. In this pharynx region, there is a pair of another opening which is present only in male frog. This is called vocal sac. Vocal sac, it present only in male frog. It produces sound to attract females during copulation. Okay. So this is the buccal cavity. Inside the buccal cavity, there is a bilobed tongue. This is the bilobed tongue. Okay. So its alimentary canal, which is starting from the mouth. Inside the mouth, there is a buccal cavity which contains various types of parts, such as gullet at the center, from where food engulfed. There is another opening which is called glottis, from where it takes oxygen. One pair of vocal sac which is present only in male frog, only in males. So the first part of the alimentary canal of frog is the mouth. Mouth has various parts such as buccal cavity, inside the buccal cavity there is gullet, glottis, vocal sacs, and a bilobed tongue. The tongue is bilobed, which is connected from this part and open from the anterior parts. Okay. This is the first part, mouth. After mouth, the food reaches into a tube-like structure. This is the esophagus. Which is lined by some mucus gland which secrete mucus to easy transport of food from mouth to the stomach. This is the stomach part. Stomach. In the inner lining of stomach, there are present various types of gastric glands. So it contains gastric glands. Gastric glands. These glands releases various types of gastric juices, and one of the important part is HCl. It is one of the most important gastric juice, hydrochloric acid, which helps in partial digestion of food. This stomach ends with this type of structure. This is the small intestine part, and the first part is duodenum. The much coiled part is ileum. One important thing, the small intestine or the alimentary canal is comparatively shorter than the herbivorous animal. Though frog is a carnivore, mainly it is insectivorous, but it is a carnivore. So most of the carnivore animals have comparatively short alimentary canal, and the most short part is, if we compare from humans, is its small intestine. Mostly it is 4 centimeter in length, but it is the longest part of frog alimentary canal. So alimentary canal, first part buccal cavity, actually mouth, then esophagus, then stomach ends in small intestine, then large intestine, then rectum, or actually its large intestine is called rectum. The last part is called cloaca. Okay, so mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine which has 2 parts, duodenum and ileum. When food enters inside stomach, HCl partially break down this food, and this partially digested food when enters inside this small intestine. Here various types of various types of intestinal juices or pancreatic juices mix at the duodenum side, and the partially digested food get completely digested inside the ileum part. Ileum, the last part of small intestine, it is the site where the complete digestion of food takes place. It is also the site of absorption. The ileum of frog, it consists various types of finger-like structure inside. This finger-like structure is called microvilli, which helps maximum absorption in food, maximum absorption of food into the blood. Okay, so stomach, where food is partially digested. Now this partially digested food get transferred into this small intestine, where it is completely being digested. Here the absorption process also done. The nutrients, all the nutrients inside this digested food is absorbed by microvilli, which are present inside ileum. The last part of alimentary canal, that is this type of structure. Actually, this is the rectum part, and the terminal part of rectum, this part is called cloaca, which further opens through cloacal aperture. This is the cloacal aperture. Okay. Rectum is the site where digested food came, and at this place maximum absorption of water taking place. In rectum, water is absorbed. In rectum, the feces is stored. Here, feces, it is the site where feces is stored. Okay. Cloaca. Cloaca is the common chamber. Cloaca is a very important part. Cloaca, it is a site where three opening meets. First of all, the digestive opening. It is a site where we can write if this is the cloaca. If this is the cloaca, at cloaca, reproductive system, there is an opening of excretory system, and there is a opening of digestive system. So cloaca is a common chamber in frog where undigested food, its excretory waste and its reproductive functions, both functions combines here in cloaca. It is a common chamber where digestive waste or sperm in male or ova in female reaches, or excretory waste reaches. Okay. So this is the alimentary canal of frog, which started from mouth and ends with cloacal aperture. Cloacal aperture. Okay. This is the alimentary canal. The digestive system of frog consists of an important gland. A gland which is present here. This is the liver. It is a very important gland which helps in the emulsification of fat. If food which is consumed by frog is rich in fat, then the liver produces an important product that is called bile juice. It secretes bile, which is responsible for the breakdown of fat. Okay, this bile juice is transferred through a duct. Though we know that if any product is releasing by any gland through a duct, that type of gland is called, we already discussed in previous classes, that type of glands are called exocrine gland. In exocrine gland, they release their product through any duct. So liver releasing its product its product, that is by through a duct. These ducts are called hepatic duct. Hepatic duct carry bile juice to the next part of digestive gland. There is another gland, a leaf-like gland, which is called pancreas. Pancreas release pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice has various types of digestive enzymes such as pepsin, nucleases, etc. Pancreas releases its product through a duct. This is the duct of pancreas. This duct is called pancreatic duct. This is the pancreatic duct. So pancreas releases its pancreatic juice through a duct which is called pancreatic duct. Liver releases its product, that is bile, through various type of ducts which are called hepatic duct. When this common duct they combines, these various types of hepatic duct, they are also called common bile duct. So when various type of hepatic duct combines, they form common bile duct. And when common bile duct combines with this pancreatic duct of pancreas, they together form a very important duct. I'm drawing it red in color. This duct is very important duct. This is called hepatopancreatic duct. Through hepatopancreatic duct, combined secretion of bile and pancreas can and released in this site, that is in duodenum. And when these products are released in duodenum becomes the site of a complete breakdown of food. Here most of the food get digested in this duodenum part, and complete digestion that takes place in ileum part. Okay. So these are the two important glands, liver and pancreas. Liver secretes bile juice, which is very important for emulsification or breakdown of fat molecule, and pancreatic juice, which is very important because it releases pancreatic juice, which is responsible for the digestion of carbohydrate or protein, etc. Okay. One more thing, there is a sac-like structure present just around this liver. This sac-like structure is called the gallbladder. Gallbladder it is the site of storage of bile juice. So when bile juice is secreted through hepatic duct, it comes at that place, and from here it goes to the gallbladder where bile juice is stored. The duct of this gallbladder, it has a special name. This is called cystic duct. The duct of gallbladder is called cystic duct. Okay. This is the complete digestion in frog. First of all, if we recap, the first part is mouth, where food is captured and engulfed through this gullet. The food then transferred to esophagus. From esophagus to the stomach part. Stomach has various type of gastric juices such as HCl, which break down food partially. Then partially digested food when enters at this site, that is duodenum, various types of juices such as pancreatic juice or bile juice, they combinedly released at duodenum site where the maximum food get digested. Okay, these digested food when transported further in this alimentary canal, it reaches to ileum where maximum reabsorption or most of the digested food get reabsorbed. Ileum contains microvilli which helps in absorption of food. This ileum get merged into the large intestine, that is rectum part. Rectum's front part has a common chamber which is called cloaca. It is the common chamber for reproductive function. It is the common chamber for digestive function. It is the common chamber for excretory function also. Okay. The cloaca opens through cloacal aperture through which the fecal matters is excreted or released. Okay. This structure is called this is urinary bladder. Which opens inside the cloaca, urinary bladder. So in frog, this is the complete digestion process which is done through alimentary canal. Alimentary canal starting from mouth to the cloaca part, cloacal aperture. And associated glands contains two type of glands, pancreas and liver. Okay. So this is the digestive system in frog. Thanks for watching the video.